Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the piece and choosing the right thinner. Oil-based stains use mineral spirits. Water-based stains use water. Once done, measure a small batch. Begin with about 10% solvent to stain, then mix thoroughly. Make sure to test on scrap wood or an inconspicuous spot so you can see final color after drying. You'll learn how the stain behaves and avoid surprises. If it's still too dark, incrementally increase dilution in 5–10% steps and retest until satisfied. Now prep the surface and apply the diluted stain with intention. Sand to 180–220 grit for even absorption, then remove dust so the thinner doesn't trap particles. Apply a thin, even coat using a rag or brush. Once applied, wipe excess off in the wood's direction within a couple of minutes to control depth. Make sure to blend edges immediately to avoid lap marks, and work in small sections, so the drying rate remains consistent. Finish by letting the piece dry fully in consistent light, and then evaluate the color. If it's slightly lighter than desired, apply one more thin coat rather than a heavy one. If it's uneven, sand lightly and restain a small area to match. If the stain remains too dark, you can strip it with a chemical or gel stripper and start over. Test removers first. One key troubleshooting tip. If blotching occurs, seal with a sanding sealer before restaining to ensure even absorption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.